Understanding case is an important and sometimes tricky part of learning Latin. In this video, with the help of this hand on a stick and two orange skeletons, I will discuss the general idea of case. In the next video, we'll look more closely at how case is used in Latin. Case expresses the grammatical function of a noun. Let me give you some examples of case using English nouns. In these two sentences, he and him refer to the same person. They're really the same word, but their form is different depending on their grammatical function in each sentence. In one, we use he because the word is the subject of the verb. In two, we use him because the word is the object of the verb. It is pretty rare, of course, in English to express case by using different forms of a noun. In English, it is more common to express case by using word order. Marcus in sentence 1 is the subject. In sentence 2 is the object, although the words have the same form. The position of the word in the sentence tells us its grammatical function, not its ending. Another way in English to signal the case of a noun, that is, the grammatical function of a noun, is to use a preposition. To signals the indirect object in this sentence. Of signals possession in this sentence. In Latin, nouns express case by changing their endings. Any particular Latin noun, then, will not only provide the meaning of that noun, but also tell whether that noun is the subject of the sentence or the object, or performs some other grammatical function like possession or indirect object. The downside of a system with case endings for every noun is pretty obvious. You're going to have to memorize a lot of noun endings, starting with this chart here. Different nouns use different endings to express case, and learning those endings will be a focus of our work this semester. But there is a positive side to learning a language with case endings. Because word order is not needed to express grammatical function as much, the order of words in a Latin sentence can be much more free. Word order can be used instead to emphasize certain words or phrases, with the result that a written Latin sentence can have all of the feeling and nuance that we find in spoken language. And that's what I mean by case.